Hello everyone, I am Shubho Shaha. I am a student of Northwestern University, Khulna, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, third year, first semester. Our group members are Toidul Islam Shajib and Pujarar. They are also connected here. Well, we discuss our project Voice Control Robot. Now, let's come to the point. This project is an Arduino based project. The project will move according to the voice instructions. Here we see an obstacle. If any interrupt in front of obstacle will understand and the robot will stop. Here we implement Arduino code. Now we will continue to demonstrate our project.
Stop. Stop. Back. Stop. Left. Right.